Hello and welcome everyone to the YouTube channel of LearnBay.co. Today in this video, we are going to see how to make a career transition from marketing and sales domain to data science. With fantastic rewards and an abundance of job possibilities, it seems like half of the globe wants to work in data science these days. But this comes with its own set of challenges. We are often asked questions like, can I do a career transition to data science? To what extent is it possible or feasible to do a career switch to data science? Also, how do I do a career transition to data science without letting my prior domain experience go waste? People from all sorts of backgrounds like IT, sales, finance, HR, healthcare, etc. want to have a piece of data science pie. And today, we are going to see how to do marketing and sales domain transition to data science. By the end of this video, you'll be able to learn what is marketing, how marketing is done, how data science is incorporated in marketing and sales, career transition to data science from marketing and sales, different job positions you can apply for further learning data science, different skill sets you need to acquire, and roadmap to career transition. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. Marketing is the process of giving potential clients or customers interested in your products and your services. The keyword in this definition is process. Marketing involves researching, promoting, selling and distributing your products or services. So let's now see the basic marketing process or how marketing is done. Marketing includes advertising, selling and delivering products to consumers or other businesses. Some marketing is also done by affiliates on the behalf of company. Professionals who work in corporations, marketing and promotion departments seek to get attention to key potential audiences through advertising. The basic process includes the following steps. Conduct market research. Market research is a key part of developing your market strategy. Once marketing strategy, or we can say the plan, is made, it is the time to set your target audience or the people who are more likely to purchase your product. That is, profile your target markets. After you decide your target audience, identify your unique selling proposition or USP, which means what makes your product different from others' product in the market or give the reasons to customers to choose your product. Lately, develop your business brand, choose your marketing avenues, set your goals and budgets, nurture your loyal customers, and don't miss to monitor or review. When you are in the field of marketing, you realize that data isn't just something that would be useful to your current role, but something much bigger. Being a person belonging to the marketing and sales domain, your role's focuses on data is what spurred it. But if you could use SQL and do basic analysis, you could do wonders. Data science is a field that focuses on extracting useful information from data and assisting marketers in identifying correct insights. These insights might be on a variety of marketing topics such as customer intent, experience and behavior, and would aid them in effectively improving their marketing tactics and generating the most money. Some of the practical ways in which data science can be implemented in marketing are: first, marketing budget optimization; second, marketing to right audience; third, identifying the right channels; fourth, matching marketing strategies with customers; fifth, lead generating. The core purpose of data science is to transform data into actionable insights, which can be quite useful in marketing, where gut judgments really succeed. As a result, big data can give a marketer a detailed understanding of target population, which is critical for getting the most out of promotion campaigns and activities. There are numerous examples of this on internet, and something new appears in the field every day. Let us just go and check few job profiles and see how data science can be quite useful in marketing. These are marketing data scientist, marketing data analyst, database administrator, statistician, business analyst, and more. Have you been thinking about getting into marketing data science? If you want to learn more about this intriguing new field, you need to learn the following skills to have a career in it: SQL, data visualization, machine learning in Python or R, great people skills to collaborate with data engineers, business management and other support personnel, AI-based optimization of sales channel, implementation of automation and security in sales, and more. Data science is a strong instrument that marketing departments aiming to boost revenues can't afford to overlook, and they are ready to pay a high wage to reap the rewards. So, what are your thoughts on the data science's application in marketing? Let us know in the comments section. And do you want to learn more about how you can utilize data to advance your career? While marketing data scientists make a lot of money, we have got something more for you if you want to jump right on the top of data science job ladder. Check out LearnBay's Domain Specialization Program with Marketing and Sales Elective Domain, a program to improve your leadership abilities by learning more about data and making better decisions about prospects, customers, product lines, marketing opportunities, and team performance. Hope this video was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And for more such videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. Stay tuned with LearnBay.co. Happy learning!